Hi everyone, my name is Viswanath Kaja, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Python program. Okay, let me just share my screen and we'll get started. All right, so it says that the objective of this Python program is to take a number input from the user and get the multiplication table of that number. Okay, so first, before we do anything, let's just print multiplication number over here so that people know what's happening in this program. Okay, then we're gonna be taking, so it says here that we have to take a number input from the user. So let's do that. So num is equal to int input of, and we're gonna be asking the user, so enter the number that you want a multiplication table. Okay, so the best way to approach this problem is to use a for loop. A for loop is slightly different from a while loop. Instead of using a condition to make the program keep going on, we're going to be giving a range to the for loop, and we're going to be doing it a fixed number of times, unlike a while loop. So for I in range of, so we want the multiplication table to go 10 times. And so the first one is the starting number and the second one is the ending number. And if we want it to go 10 times, then we have to put 11 instead. The reason is that, like, if we say 10 over here, it'll go 9 times instead of 10 times. We don't want that. We want to go 10 times. So we're going to say 11 instead. Okay, and now we're going to be making a variable called product. So product is equal to I multiplied by num. And also a for loop automatically increments the variable each time, unlike a while loop. So this will just, so the product will just keep changing as long as the for loop is going on. So, and then we're going to be printing the product. Okay, now let's just run the program to see if it works. So multiplication table, enter the number that you want to find a multiplication table of. Let's say 5. So we're going to say 5, 10, 15, etc. Okay, so this is a good start of the program, but right now all we're seeing is just numbers. We don't know what 5 is like multiplying by and everything. We're just seeing numbers. So if we want to improve this and show a better output, we can change the program a little bit by using concatenation. So concatenation is basically like connecting the strings, like separate strings or like variables or integers or whatever, with each other. So we're gonna be saying that num over here, then we're gonna be using a comma. So multiplied by I, that's the number, the variable that keeps changing. So num times I is equal to the product over here. And let's just see and see if it works. Okay, so enter a number that you want to find the table for. 5. Okay. So yeah, 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 2 equals 10, etc. Okay, so it seems to be working. This was a pretty basic program. But yeah, we'll be touching more harder concepts in later videos. But this is all for this week, and I hope and thanks for watching this video. I hope you come back next time. I'll post another video soon. Bye. Thank you.